A comfortable, stable, and flexible stool. Wider, thicker high-resilience cushion. Soft support. Feel reliable comfort from the moment you sit down, with dependable stability and support. Easily adjust the height to fit your needs. The reinforced gas lift ensures smooth lifting and lowering. Different heights for different tasks and spaces. It also features a full 360 degrees swivel. Move freely with less reaching and repositioning. Smooth and quiet movement, safe for all types of flooring. Supported by 5 large caster wheels. Made with premium PU material, waterproof and wear-resistant. Easy to wipe clean, simple to maintain. Quick and easy assembly, no complicated tools required, ready in just minutes. Ideal for offices, salons, studios, and home use. Comfortable, practical, and built to last.